Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can activate an eSIM step by step and really easy to follow. So on this video, we'll cover 3 simple steps, which is going to be choosing our eSIM plan on Saily, installing it over onto our device, and activating it so you're connected right off the get-go. And before we dive right in, if you want to follow along with the exact tools that I'm using for this video, you could click the link on the description box below, or you can also use the code DIGIPROF15 or DIGIPROF15 to get a 15% off your purchases. Now, this can work with all of the available plans, so of course, you want to get yourself the discount code. Basically, it's the fastest, it's the cleanest way to get this done, and I'll exactly show you how to do it. So of course, the first thing that you want to do is to actually head over to the link on the description. Now you could also do this if you're on your computer or if you're on your mobile phone. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to the Google Play Store, or if you're using an iOS, head over to the App Store. Simply inside, you want to search for Saily, and then you want to click on this yellow logo. It's going to be Saily Travel eSIM and Data. And of course, right after, we can then click on Open. And of course, once inside, it's really easy to create yourself an account. With a few clicks, you will be able to log in yourself onto the application. So let's head over to the next step. Once you're in, the next thing that you want to do is to head over to the Explore Plans button or the Browse Plan button. So it's going to show up with the available plans on Saily. Basically, you could search by country or region. Now, this is great if you're traveling to one place or across multiple countries. And I'll pick a plan here as an example. Of course, let's choose the most common one, which is going to be United States. And then from here, you'll exactly how much data you'll get and how long it will last. The price is also going to be on this page. As you can see, some will be at 10 gigabytes for 30 days at 22.99 USD. So if we actually click on continue, this is where we can now apply the code that I've been talking about. So click on the got a coupon code option, DIGIPROF15, click apply, and from there you will be able to get that easy 15% off your purchase. So it's that simple. From here, of course, we now have to enter our payment method by Google Pay, iOS Pay, or we could also use our credit or debit card. It's that simple. And basically, right after entering your payment method, hit on the buy now option, and then Saily will actually give you 2 options to do this. You have your QR code right on the application, or it will be sent to your email. Now you want to keep this in hand because it's going to be handy in the next step, or we could also click the install SIM or activate SIM onto Saily to automatically activate it onto our device. But if that didn't work, of course, the next thing that you want to do is to actually process the QR code that we got. And now let's go ahead and install it. Basically, on iPhone devices, you want to go through your setting and then cellular, and then tap on the add eSIM option. Now, basically, most iPhone above 2019 are ready for eSIM, so you have nothing to worry about if you're using something like iPhone XS Max and above. So if you're on Android, of course, head over to the settings right here, and then simply inside on Samsung devices, it's going to be inside connections. Scroll down and you have your SIM manager. So just click on it. In here, we have the Add eSIM option. Click on OK. And basically in here, you just have to upload the QR code that we got, or you could scan it right from your computer screen. In here, we have the scan QR code or search for eSIM. Of course, you simply want to tap on the first option and from there it will automatically be imported onto your mobile devices. That's how easy it is to install our Esim. And of course, by the way, to not miss out on our promotional code, it's going to be DIGIPROF or DigiProof15 to get yourself that 15% off. So let's go ahead and head over to the next step. So once you have installed your SIM, you want to navigate back to your SIM manager, and from there, this is where most people get it wrong. You want to actually set it as your data line or eSIM line. So you want to choose it when you go ahead and simply abroad. Of course, you can also navigate through the Saily application to see a green active symbol or status. Basically, that's it. You're now connected through your eSIM. Basically, no physical SIM swap, no swapping or waiting at an airport kiosk. And also, if you're running out of data, you can also navigate through the application and instantly add a new data so you have nothing to worry about. And in some other cases, if you're traveling on multiple countries or region, Saily even offers multiple regional plan that will save you a lot of money. So it is extremely recommended to get those if you're traveling to different countries. And once again, if you're out of data, just head over to the Saily application, click on the add data option, and voila, now you have an extra data. And of course, that's how you activate your eSIM in 2026. It's fast, simple, with no hardware needed, and you don't need to wait or land until you do something with your data line. So you could, of course, set it now, and you can activate your eSIM with Saily using the link on the description box below. And once again, you could use the code DGPROOF or DIGIPROF15 to get that 15% off your purchase. Once again, this can work with any plan for Saily. So just head over to the actual payment process, click on got a coupon code, and enter DIGIPROF15 to get that 15% off your purchases. Now, as a note, this can work for mobile devices or even if you're using your Windows computer to check out your eSIM. It's that simple to check out or get the 15% off your Saily plan. Don't miss out on the promotional code. Launch over perfection and get connected today with Saily. If this video helped you out, subscribe for more travel tech tips, and I'll make sure to see you on the next one. As always, thanks for watching.